Hello, Sam Spinella, your real estate guy with Spinella Group at Intera Real Estate. I'm excited to introduce to you our most recent listing at 117 Culligan Court, right here in Boulder Creek. Let's go take a look. This beautiful condominium is located in the wonderful Boulder Creek community and is part of the East Hilton Homeowners Association at the Boulder Creek Golf Course. Set one street back from the golf course, giving you a beautiful private view. This lovely home with attached one-car garage has 1,228 square feet of living space and has two spacious bedrooms with two large bathrooms, a large common area that flows nicely into the kitchen. Here, you do not have any attached walls, which creates additional privacy. You have your own separate yard for added comfort. HOA has approved for paint and cosmetic repairs to take place. Boulder Creek Golf Course opened in 1961. Boulder Creek's scenic course, set among the redwoods and lakes, offers a challenging and memorable golfing experience. Designed by Jack Fleming, this par 65 for men and par 67 for women course features superb rolling terrain and beautiful greens. A short distance to downtown Boulder Creek, where you can find every necessity you need while in a tranquil atmosphere. Boulder Creek was founded as a logging camp. First timber claims were made in 1865, just 1/2 hour away from Los Gatos and mere minutes from Santa Cruz and Big Basin Redwood State Park. Boulder Creek is quite possibly the antidote to a busy work week in Silicon Valley. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like more information about this property or any other property, please feel free to reach out to us. If you have any real estate needs at all, I'm here and happy to help.